Hi, Assalamualaikum to Madam Rosie and my fellow friends. My name is Intergroup Shamila with this degree. I'm from Group 1. Okay, this is my group members. Muhammad Zamani, Muhammad Faisal Karwan, Shakiratul Wahida, and Shkim. Okay, today I want to talk about social class and intergroup conflict. Okay. What is social class? Social class is a hierarchical social economic status as social economic categories or groups. Okay, this is the factor that determine social class. First is income, education, job position, health, occupation, and wealth. Okay, for income refer to wages, salary, profit. Okay, for education is more to role to get income, and earning increase with each level of education, such as degree and doctor degree. Job position is reflect power and authority, and it also has more authority to making decisions. For health, this is very important because it's one of the important source to health inequality. Okay, next is four common social classes informally recognized in many societies. Okay, they have four commons. First is upper class, second is middle class, third is lower class, and the last one is working class. Okay, for upper class, we divide to two groups. First is lower upper class, and second one is upper class. Okay, for lower class is new money or money come from investment, business, or venture. Okay, for upper class is the person who are rich, well born, powerful, or combination of those. Okay, for middle class is we also know as white collar worker. For middle class also have two groups. First is lower middle class, and the second one is upper middle class. Lower middle class is for person who has less educated people with lower income, such as manager or small business owner. Okay, for upper middle class, they have more highly educated business and professional people, and they also have high income, such as doctor, lawyer, and stockbroker. Okay, next is lower class. Lower class is a person who have low paying wages and very little economic security. And people who that come from lower class is few from finish from high school and suffer from lack of medical care. And the last one is working class. Working class we also known as blue collar worker. In this class is more to manual labor with little or no prestige, and unskilled worker in the class such as cashier, maid, and waitress, and is usually underpaid and don't have any opportunities for career investment. Okay, next we continue to another slide, intergroup conflict. Okay, what is intergroup conflict? Intergroup conflict is a relation between two people or more in group and their respective members. Okay, next is cause of intergroup conflict. Okay, the cause is simplify the nature of group. The reason may be works independence and goals, variability difference in prospection and the increased demand of specialities. Okay, group status and conflict have 4 points. First is permissibility of risk. Second is impact of the legitimacy. 4 is low status group, and last one is high status group. Intergroup conflict, we also have minority groups such as more silence identity, a strong collective self, and show more discriminative behavior. Okay, it also has 5 stages of social transformation. First is social mobility. Second is conscious raising. Third is competitive intergroup relations. 4 is strictly stratified intergroup relation. And the last one is the emergence of an individualistic social intelligence. Okay, next is type of conflict. Type of conflict actually has 4. First is intrapersonal. Second is interpersonal. Third is intragroup, and the last one is intergroup. Okay, intrapersonal is someone who think he is alone, such as monologue. Okay, for interpersonal is interactive between two people face to face. And intergroup is harmony is very important at workplace. Competition between workers, and the last one is intergroup. Intergroup is better with your accounting operation teams. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you.